simple question. What would it take to get you to enjoy American Idol?
Well, I could pretend to be insincere like you. But I don't think that's what America wants, funny enough.
Instead, they want you to pretend to hate everybody on the show?
No, I think, you asked the question, be quiet. I think America respects honesty.
Is he being honest? Is he being, sometimes he is, sometimes he's not.
Oh, good.
Did you just tickle Paula?
No.
There he is, lying once again. Let's take a look at last night's performances. Watch.
That's cool.
This week, the top 8 were put to the test as they took on the songs of
Go on.
First, the legendary band record with the contestants.
Cat versus bird. Who will win? You'll see tonight on Ultimate Fighting Federation for Animals. The cat will come in slowly for the kill.
It was a night when rock reigned supreme.
His Royal Highness wasn't in the mood.
It was We Will Rock You Gently. I mean, it just didn't work. The song was too indulgent. I would classify that as quite mediocre.
Both Kelly and Catherine went dramatic.
I think it worked. You did good.
It's his accent. I don't understand what he said.
Well, likewise. We both have a problem here. Catherine, I mean, that was almost the moment.
But that wasn't the